So welcome to the Alternative Programs UDL-Ning, where we're going to be sharing a lot of stories about what's happening with UDL in the classroom and helping each other with implementing different parts of Universal Design for Learning. So I just want to give you a quick overview of the different parts of the site. It's pretty simple, but the first page is the home page, and on this page it has some information about the group and also starts to list different members of the group, and then highlights some. There'll always be some highlight of some stories that people are telling from their classrooms, or possibly announcements that we want to make on the NING about the learning that's taking place there. If you look up at the top here, the next part is if you click on the UDL stories. This is the place where you can read and respond to the various stories that people are sharing from the classroom. And obviously right now there's just some examples that I put up to show you. But when you're on that page, you can click on any of these links and you can both see the example of the story. And in this case, I've just put a picture up there from an old basketball game of my son's. And you can see that there is a space down here that I can reply and add a comment to. So if I want to comment and add something to the discussion here, I can type there and click reply, and you'll see that then it appears below. And there are several of the other comments that people have added down there. And then if I want to reply to another discussion, for example, Bud right here has said, did you provide the players with multiple ways to learn the plays for this game? I can reply to that and say, of course. So you can thread the discussion in a couple different ways, and now you can see that my comment falls underneath Bud's comment, so you can take it in a couple different directions. So that's an example if you're sharing something with an image from your classroom and then you want to write some text with a story to support that. Another example which I want to share is what you would do if you were going to share an example of your classroom with a video link. And so I'm going to click on this example here, and you'll see that in this case, I uploaded a video right to the NING, and we'll do a different story on how to do that. A different video on how to do that. But you can upload about anywhere from up to a 3 or maybe 4-minute clip of something quick from your classroom and upload that right to the NING. Other videos that you want to house, you're going to want to do that on Google Chrome on the Google Drive, and then send a link to it, mostly because the size of the video has to be at a certain limit. And in this case, I would click on this video, and just to stick with the theme, this is a video of my son's old basketball team. And so you can see, you can pull that up, and you can watch that, and we won't watch that for very long. And then when you're finished, you can close out of that. And so let me so in that case, the video plays on another tab, and then I can go back to the other page and back to the discussion. And again, I can leave comments there and contribute to a discussion. The next page is the list of architects, which are the people who are in alternative programs who are going to be trying to design with universal design principles for learning, and you're all going to be listed here. You'll notice there's some other people. Kathy Lee and Linda Wilson are two people that are supporting this NING, both in terms of technical support and also from a UDL perspective, who are involved in Hyatt. And then all of you will be there as well, and there'll be a separate video on how to create your profile and add a picture of that. And finally, the last tab on here is the help tab, and that is just going to be places where you can create a discussion. So if I have a question, I can click on this plus button here to add a discussion, and then you can see I can title it, and so help with ... and then down here I could put my text in here, and then other people could respond to it, or if it's something technical maybe or related to UDL that you're looking for support from, let's say you wanted to ask, that might be something that I can answer, or Bug can answer, or Jeanette could answer, and so we can all contribute to helping each other in that help area there. And that can be related to UDL. It could also be related to technical aspects with the Ning. So this is the basics of the Ning, and you know, the picture that we currently have here is just some picture of some kids playing on the stream, and you know, we really want this to be kind of a place where you can experiment and try to figure out different ways to make this work within your instruction, and similar to these kids playing at the edge of a stream and trying to figure out how to work with it. So hope this works well for everyone. Look forward to learning from you, and there are other videos that can help you with this. I just want to point out before you leave, there are a number of other links at the top up here that are more general, not to our group, but to overall things related to UDL and Montgomery County Public Schools, and you can explore those as well. One thing you may want to do is just bookmark the exact link to our homepage, but you can also get here by clicking on the Groups tab from the main UDL and MCPS page. And if you ever find yourself here, our link is down here, Alternative Programs UDL, and you click on that and it takes it back to the main page.